Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your account ID, phone number, and billing ZIP. Open the provider app or secure website now. Do not use public Wi-Fi. Once signed in, you may need two-factor authentication. Check SMS or an authenticator app. This step matters because the QR code is usually tied to your authenticated session. Make sure your session is current. If prompted, accept device permissions so the app can display or generate the code for the next steps. Once done, navigate to Device or Account Settings and head to SIM Management or the eSIM section. This is where providers usually store activation QR codes. If you don't see it, use the app search and type QR or eSIM to jump directly. Some interfaces hide it under Activate, Add Line, or Device Setup. If the QR is for a physical SIM replacement, check order history or messages. Providers sometimes send the QR via secure message. Stay patient and follow prompts. Now display or download the QR code and keep it secure. This code grants network access, so treat it like a password. To install, open your phone's cellular or eSIM settings and choose Add Cellular Plan, then scan the provider's QR or import the downloaded file. Make sure to follow on-screen carrier prompts and restart if required. If the QR isn't visible, contact provider support to request a resend or check your secure inbox. Key troubleshooting: clear app cache and retry sign in before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.